Hello children, I hope everyone is safe and fine at home. So in this video, we are going to learn a new lesson from 7th English, Term 2, Unit 1, Supplementary, Alice in Wonderland. So children, it is an imaginary and interesting story. Okay, so you can enjoy the story. So let's move to the lesson now. So before that, let us all learn about the writer Charles Ludwig Dongson. So he was born 27 January 1832 and he was died on 14th January 1898. Okay, so that is when he was born and died. And he is better known by his pen name Lewis Carroll. So you know what does mean by pen name? So pen name na punai பெயர் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So his pen name is Lewis Carroll and he was an English writer of world famous children's fiction, notably Alice Adventures in Wonderland and its sequel Through the Looking Glass. So children, he is very famous in writing imaginary stories like for children. Okay, so he has written a lot of stories for children and his famous works are Alice Adventures in Wonderland and its sequel Through the Looking Glass. So these two are very famous works of Charles Ludwig Dongson. Okay. He was noted for his facility at the wordplay, logic, and fantasy. So his work is always wordplay, logic, and fantasy. Fantasy means imaginary. So his work is always imaginary. And he was also a mathematician, photographer, and a teacher. Okay, so he's a mathematician, photographer, and also here he was a teacher. Carroll came from a family of Anglican and he lived for most of his life as a scholar and teacher at the Christ Church. He was from a Catholic family, Christian family, and he started his career at the Christ Church, Oxford. Okay, that is where he started his career as a teacher. And then Alice Liddell, daughter of the Dean of Christ Church, Henry Liddell. He is widely identified as the original for Alice in Wonderland, though Carroll always denied this. Okay, so people say that he has written this Alice in Wonderland because of he started his career at Oxford. No, so there was a deacon, there was a dean of a Christ Church, Henry Dillard. Okay, so Alice Dillard was the daughter of Henry Dillard. Okay, so அவர் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காரு, அந்த அந்த ஹென்ரி டில்லட்டுடைய அந்த பொண்ணு அந்த ஆலிஸ் டில்லட் தான் அவர் வந்து அவர் அந்த பெண்ணை வச்சு தான் இந்த ஸ்டோரி எழுதியிருக்கிறாரு அப்படின்னு எல்லாரும் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ பட் ஹீ டினைஸ் திஸ். அவர் வந்து இதை சொல்லலை, அவர் வந்து ஒத்துக்கலை. ஓகே, he says that he has written on his imagination. Okay, so let's move to the story. So Alice is the main character of the story. Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the bank, and of having nothing to do. Okay, so Alice, she was sitting just near the bank of river. Okay, அந்த ரிவருக்கு பக்கத்தில் பேங்க் ஆஃப் பேங்க்ன்றது வந்து வங்கி கிடையாது. ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ கரை, அந்த ஆத்தங்கரைன்னு சொல்லுவோம், தட் இஸ் கால்டு பேங்க். ஸோ ஆலிஸ் அண்ட் ஹர் சிஸ்டர் வேர் சிட்டிங் just near the bank of the river, of having nothing to do. They have nothing to do. They are sitting simply without doing any work at there. Once or twice she peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversation in it. So Alice peeped into the book her sister was reading. Okay, so her sister was reading a book. Okay, so she peeped into the book again and again. Peeped another எட்டி பார்க்கறது. So he peeped into the book again and again that her sister was reading. Okay, because she was feeling so boring, so that she peeped into the book again and again, but it had no pictures or conversation in that. So in that book there was no pictures, there was no conversation, there was only writing. Okay, there was only written words or written sentences are only there in the book. And what is the use of the book, thought Alice, without pictures or a conversation? So Alice thinks that without pictures or conversation, the book is so boring. Okay, she doesn't want to read the book because she loves reading a book. She loves reading book if there is pictures or conversation. Okay, but the book her sister was reading, there was no pictures or conversation. So she was considering in her own mind as well as she could, for the hard day made her feel very sleepy and stupid, whether the pleasure of making a daisy chain would be worth the trouble of getting up and picking the daisies. Okay, so she feels so boring. Okay, so she was sitting at the bank of the river. She feels she feels so boring, but her sister was reading a book. Okay, but she thinks that she wants to do something different, so that she has decided to collect the daisies. Daisies means what? The pictures you can see in the pictures, some flowers are there. No, that is called daisies. Okay, daisy flower. So she has decided to collect the flowers to make a chain. அப்படியே அந்த அழகாக அந்த அது வட்டமாக பின்னுற மாதிரி அவள் வந்து பிளான் பண்ணுறா. ஓகே, ஸோ யூ கேன் see it on the picture. She is holding the daisy chain. No, that is called. Okay, so she plans to do like that because she feels so boring. No, that's why. When suddenly a white rabbit when pink eyes ran closely by her. When she is thinking like that, suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close to her. அப்படி நினச்சிட்டே இருக்கும்போது திடீர்னு ஒரு ஒயிட் ரேபிட் பாஸ்டு த்ரூ ஹர். ஓகே, அவளை கடந்து ஒரு ரேபிட் வேகமாக ஓடிட்டுருக்கு. The rabbit pulled a watch out of his pocket to check the time. Okay, when the rabbit was running, pulled a watch out of his pocket to check the time. அது என்ன பண்ணுது, அது பாக்கெட்லேருந்து அந்த டைமரை எடுத்து பார்க்குது, to check the time out. He shook his head, then disappeared down in a rabbit hole. So I told you already, the rabbit was running towards something. No, so finally it has disappeared down in the rabbit's hole. Okay, அது என்ன பண்ண, அந்த rabbit அந்த வலைக்குள்ளே ஓடிடுச்சு. I must find out why he is in such a hurry, cried Alice. Alice thinks that why this rabbit is running so faster and watching the time. So she wants to know why he is doing like that. Filled with curiosity. Curiosity means what? Arvam. So she wants to know about the rabbit, why he is running so faster. She ran to the rabbit's hole and peeped through the entrance. So she looked into the entrance of the rabbit's hole. The hole dropped suddenly and Alice fell. Okay, suddenly the hole dropped. உடஞ்சிடுச்சு. So finally what happened? Alice fell into the hole. She fell for a long time when suddenly she came upon a little three-legged table. Okay, you can see it on the picture how she is falling down through the hole, isn't it? That's how she's rolling down. And when she went inside of the hole, she saw she saw a little three-legged table, all made of solid glass. Okay, she saw a small table with three legs. Okay, so it was so strong, solid glass table. There was nothing on it except a tiny golden key. So on the table there was only one thing, that is a tiny golden key. Except that there was nothing on the table. When she looked around again, she came upon a low curtain she had not noticed before. So you know what does mean by curtain? Curtain means na திரை சீலை அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். நம்ம அந்த ஜன்னல்லாம் நம்ம க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சில துணி நம்ம மாட்டோம்ல. ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்டு கர்டைன். ஓகே, when she turned behind her, she saw a curtain. Okay, she had not noticed before. அதை அவள் முன்னாடி பார்த்ததே கிடையாது. And behind it there was a little door about 15 inches high. She tried to little golden key in the lock, and to her great delight it fitted. Okay, so when she turned back, she saw a curtain. So behind the curtain there was a door. Okay, so there was a door. She tried to open the door. So the key fitted in that lock. So she was so happy because the key is working. She opened the door and saw a beautiful garden through it, but she couldn't reach it as she was too big. So when she opened the door, so next to the door there was a beautiful garden. Okay, there was a beautiful garden. So she wants to go to the garden, but she could not go inside the garden because she looks so bigger than the door. Okay, அந்த கதவை விட அவ ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கிறா. So that she can't go to the garden. So curtain means what? திரை சீலை. delight னது மகிழ்ச்சி, சந்தோஷம், happy. Okay. When she turned around towards three-legged table, Alice found a green bottle that said "Drink me" magically appeared on it. So when she turned back again, she saw that table again. Okay, she saw the three-legged table again, and on the table there was a small bottle. Okay, so in the bottle there was written something. What was that? Drink me, என்ன குடி அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருக்கு. So out of curiosity, Alice took the bottle and drank the entire portion. So she took the bottle and she opened it. She drank everything from the bottle. Okay, she emptied it. Alice took the bottle and drank the entire portion. She took everything from the bottle. Then she began to shrink until she was no bigger than a doll. Okay, shrink means what? அப்படி சுருங்குறது, சின்னதாகிறது. Okay, when she drank that, she started shrinking. Okay, she started shrinking. அப்படியே சின்ன பொம்மை மாதிரி அப்படி சின்னதாயிட்டா. Okay, she shrink until she was no bigger than a doll. Okay, so doll மாதிரி ரொம்ப சின்ன பொண்ணு ஆயிட்டா when she drank that in the bottle. She opened the door and quickly ran through it. What a splendid garden, she exclaimed. When she became so small, she came through the window and she went into the garden. So she felt so happy to see the entire garden because it was looking so splendid. Splendid ன்னு அர்த்தம், அற்புதமாக அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So the garden was looking so splendid. Okay. Why? I am no bigger than the insects that crawl on these flowers. But the excitement soon wore off. Okay, she thinks that she is so smaller than the other insects on the flowers. Okay, on that all on in the garden. So she is smaller than every creatures in the garden. So she feels like that. But it changed suddenly. Okay. Or Alice grew bored with her tiny size. She feels boring to be small girl. Okay, to be in size, to be in tiny size. I want to be big again, she shouted. She says that, oh, I want to get bigger like that. I want to get bigger as I was before. நான் எப்படி நான் பழைய மாதிரி ஹைட்டாக இருந்தனோ எனக்கு அதே மாதிரி ஆகணும். So she shouted, பயங்கரமாக கத்துறா. Her shouts startled the white rabbit. Startled means what? பயம்புறுத்துறது. Okay, when she shouts like that, the white rabbit was startled. பயந்துருச்சு பயங்கரமாக, அப்படியே மிரண்டுருச்சு. Who ran past her again. Okay, mistaking her for a mid, he ordered, go to my cottage and fetch my gloves and fan. Alice was confused why the rabbit's behavior. Okay, so after she became small, the rabbit thought that Alice is maid. You know what does mean by maid? Maid என்னது வேலைக்காரி, வேலை செய்கிற அந்த பணிப்பெண், அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா இங்கிலீஷில் maid அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So the rabbit thought that Alice was his maid. So he orders her to fetch. Fetchன்னு அர்த்தம் எடுத்துட்டு வா அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். To fetch is gloves and fans. Okay, the rabbit orders her to bring his gloves and fans. Okay, the rabbit thought that she was his maid. Maybe I will find that cottage to help me find my way out, she said hopefully. Okay, she was confused. Alice was confused. Why this rabbit is ordering me? And why he is doing like that? She was totally confused. Okay, and she thinks that, okay, so we shall do like he says. We shall go back to the room and we will get the gloves and fans back, and maybe we will get another way out to go back home. Okay, so maybe we will get a chance or opportunity to leave this place. Okay, she thinks like that. As she was going out, she saw a piece of chocolate cake that was kept on a table by the doorway. So when she was entering into the room, she saw another table inside the room. So on that table there was a piece of cake. Okay, on the table there was a piece of cake which was kept on the table by the doorway. Next to the cake was a note that read, "Eat me, I am hungry." Okay, so at first on the table there was some liquid item, so it asked her to drink me, isn't it? But here now the bottle says, the cake says, "Eat me." அது drink me, இது eat me அப்படின்னு சொல்லுது. She says, "I am so hungry. Okay, I am going to eat you." Alice said as she ate the cake. Okay, when she is eating the cake, she says, "I am so hungry." Suddenly she felt strange and realized, oh no, I have grown large than the house, she cried. When she ate that piece of cake, she started growing up. She started growing than the house. Okay, she started growing than the house. She's getting bigger. So she cried, "Ayyo, na persaite irukna, please control me." She started crying like that. Get off, get out of my way. You are blocking my door, shouted the white rabbit. The white rabbit says that, why are you blocking my way? Why are you getting bigger? Okay, please stay out of my way. Get out of my way. Alice managed to pick up his fan. When Alice took his fan in her hand, what happened? Immediately she began to shrink again. What happened again? She became shrink again. திரும்பவும் அவ அப்படி சுருங்கிட்டா, சின்னதாயிட்டா. But little thing she know, it was a magical fan. What was magical fan? When she took the fan in her hand, no, it was a magical fan, which made her small again. So that fan made her to become small again. Oh no, I will never get back to the right size. Okay, she went look for help. Okay, now she thinks that okay, hereafter I'm not going to bigger, so that she's going to get for help. Soon she saw a great caterpillar dressed in a pink jacket. She was sitting on top of the large mushroom. Okay, when she was looking for help, when she was going through the garden, she saw a small caterpillar. Caterpillar means what? Karapambuchi. Sorry, Kambalipuchi. That is called caterpillar. She saw that. So he was sitting on the top of the large mushroom. Okay, mushroom மேல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு. What was that? That caterpillar. Smoking a bottle pipe. Okay, you can see it on the picture how it is smoking with the use of the, he has something in his hand. No, so he's smoking with that. So she saw that caterpillar which was sitting on the large mushroom, and the other side makes you small. Okay, one side makes you big, the other side makes you small, he said to Alice before slithering away. So the caterpillar says, the caterpillar before slithering அர்த்தம் வழுக்கிட்டு சறுக்கி கீழே விழுறது. So before that she tells her that the caterpillar tells her that one side makes you small and another side makes you bigger. ஒரு பக்கம் உன்னை சின்னதாக்குது, இன்னொரு பக்கம் உன்னை பெருசாக்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்குது, அப்படின்னு சொல்லுது. One side of what? என்ன ஒன் சைடு சொல்கிறேன், ஒன்றும் புரியலையே. Alice called after him. திரும்பி திரும்பி கேட்குறா. What is that? What makes me small? What makes me bigger? She says, like, she asking him like that. And he replies, the mushroom. Silly, he answered. The caterpillar says, the mushroom only makes you bigger and makes you smaller. Okay, he answered like that. Alice ate a piece of mushroom. Thank goodness, I'm growing, she cried. But which way do I go? And finally, Alice took a piece of the mushroom and she ate it. Okay, after that she started growing bigger. Okay. So let's continue the story next video. Okay, so thank you, children.